Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Visa gift card on Amazon. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to start using your Visa gift card inside Amazon, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. Now, the thing with Visa gift cards is they work like any kind of card. So meaning if you want to use it in Amazon, you just need to use it like any other card. So in this case, you want to go ahead and head over to the Amazon app here or their website and start adding items into your cart. Now, since we already added an item here, let's go and choose the cart option. Now, inside our cart, what you need to do is you want to go and click on the Proceed to Checkout section. Now, once you've done that, it should redirect you to this page here. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and choose the option that says Change Payment Method. Once you've done that, it should give you the option to add a payment method. So since we want to add a new card here, let's go and click on Add a New Credit or Debit Card. Now, from here, you need to provide the following details. Now, from here, just provide the name on the card number, and the expiration date, and also the security code or the CVV or the CVC at the back of your card. Now, obviously, my screen is going to be black here, but usually you should be able to enter your card details. Go and click on Add Your Card, and once you've added your card, you can go and select this in this page here, and you can go and just proceed on using this on your account. Now, by the way, just make sure that whatever you're purchasing is on the same region. Like, for example, if you're in Australia, just make sure that the Visa gift card that you bought is from Australia as well. Because sometimes there are going to be some issues with payment if you're using it in a different website or in this case, in a different country. So, again, just make sure you are in the same region when you actually bought or where the card is actually bought. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.